Crude oil last week has delivered a major swing. First, yes, it has achieved the 72.2, 72.4 zone. We have mentioned these levels are achievable, and we have also mentioned in our weekly and daily review that these are going to remain greater resistance zone. Precisely, we have seen it reversing from the same levels, and yes, on the downside, it is respected 67, 66.5, again a greater support zone. So, what to expect now? Can we say that the retracement is done and the oil prices have reversed? Can we expect another bearish candles from here? Can we say that the oil is going to trade below 65 again? Or there is a possibility of an uptrend as the reversal it has started a couple of weeks back? Can we expect it to continue with this? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading oil? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. This is a weekly review, and this is the only channel in the world to give you two updates with detailed analysis, proper reasoning for a particular entry, and the take profits as well with proper accuracy. So, and first update I always release with the Asia session, next with the US session. Thus, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications. Do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Towards the end of this update, I'll be sharing the trading levels. So, watch. Let's start. Let's begin with the daily chart. On the daily charts, if you look at, see, first trace the movement for oil, drop, sideways movement, and then a slight fall. Yes, once it has breached, we have seen it hitting the lows at 65. What has happened since then? The drop, the retracement, and now see, also look at the rise here. The rise was a bit gradual, the drop is extremely sharp. In our daily updates I have mentioned, see, reversal sign is here, and we can see couple of sharper bearish candles. Now what has happened in the last trading session? We can see it getting support from 67 levels, and this also we have seen, and I have highlighted this fact that 66.5, once it takes, then only you should treat this as bearish. What we have seen, it recovering sharp. Now this is the first. And also, if you look at, if you just connect the dots here, you will find after the drop, oil is trading in this retracement channel. So it is still under retracement. I will not say that it has turned bearish. Only and only if in the coming week, if you see price is trading below 66.5, you can say that it is turning bearish, and then you have to wait for it to break below 65. That will be the confirmation of a breakout on the downside, as it is under retracement as of now, and it could continue here in this channel for a while from here. So this is one point. Second thing is, if you look at the closer of the last candle, you will find it is closed at the top. This suggests that the possibly first trading session in the coming week might stay bullish. It can again take it towards close to $70 levels, and from there retrace a little, and then again we have to watch out how it behaves at around 72, breaking beyond which just stay bullish. We can in fact look forward to 73.6 or 74 levels as well. Yes, this is still not yet confirming a bearish breakout. If you look at the indicators here, moving average is definitely trading with divergence and bearishness, and this is the trait of crude oil. See, it retraces towards 20-50 period moving average every time. This has happened here again, precisely hitting the resistance. It is now trying to reverse. So it is very, very important for oil to stay above 72, 72.4 zone in the coming week, beyond which we can in fact look forward for a move towards 73.6, 74 levels as the next targets. Right now it is trading bearish. Look at the divergence here. If you look at the stochastic, this has hit the oversold levels here, while the MACD, if you see the MACD here, see MACD, what has happened? First of all, look at this move first, then second, and now after hitting the lows here, it has crossed over for a buy. What has happened? It has started to converge. Remember, this movement is already coming from a lower levels, so the upside is wide open. There is not much of room for a rise, but what it is, it was trading with too much of divergence. With couple of red candles, it has tried to converge. Now it can resume the uptrend again, and that is also I confirm that as long as 66.5 is not taken, we should not be treating this as bearish. Yes, it could continue and resume the uptrend here, where we'll definitely watch out for how it behaves at around 70 to 72.4. RSI rising as well. Coming to the weekly, on the weekly charts, what has happened? See the crossover here and the divergence in the moving averages. Definitely it's a bearish sign. If you look at the formation, these are the support levels which we had seen for oil since last 2 to 3 years. We have seen 65 levels coming to the rescue every time, and below 65 it's 62 levels, which is going to be the next critical support. But right now I can see that these levels are definitely going to remain critical. We have seen it once. It can in fact try to deliver this move again. But if you look at the movement, what has happened here, see, first of all, the resistance here is very, very strong. We have seen this. After this, a stronger slide, now retracement. Now, if you look at these candle here, higher highs, lower lows. And if you track this span, the median is close to $70 levels. So once the prices move above 70 in the coming week, chances will increase that we may see higher highs, and chances will increase that it can in fact breach this zone and keep moving towards 74, 75 zone. So this is the first observation here. While on the downside till 66.5, and let me include 66 as well, till 66.5 and 66, chances will be high that it can reverse again, it can bounce back again. Now if you look at the movement right now, this is a swing candle here and it is closed above the opening of the preceding candle, suggests that though it is closed in red, but I will say that the bears are not very much interested in delivering lower lows here. If you look at the stochastic after forming the double bottom, this is rising and it can continue to rise here for a while. While if you see the MACD, this is trading with extreme divergence, extreme bearishness. And if you track this rise retracement, and a crossover here can lead to a stronger reversal. While on the RSI, this is again looking downward, suggestive of slight bearishness. Coming to monthly, on the monthly chart, see increasing body size here. We have only one trading session left and this three candle pattern is done, and also this is closing at the support zone here. So this again strengthens this zone between 65 and 67. This is definitely going to remain a critical zone for oil. For last 3 to 4 years we have not seen oil prices closing below 65 or in fact 67. This is only the pre-COVID era. Since then we have seen these levels providing it a very, very good support. If you also look at the formation here, sharp drop, retracement, higher lows, retracement, lower highs, lower lows. So right now you can also notice it is trading in this bearish channel. Three candles are done. Possibly the coming month might be going to be of a reversal month. Possibility exists strong. If you look at the right now, it is trading bearish. A breakout below 65 and then 62 will confirm a sharper correction here. Be watchful of this itself, because see, this is staying in zone and once it breaks out, this is going to be stronger. So this one zone is definitely going to remain critical for crude oil. Stochastic at the bottom here, MACD is trading with divergence and bearishness, and I can say that MACD has also seen a good retracement here for multiple months, and now the time has come for it to cross over and reverse. RSI dropped significantly. Coming to 4 hour. On the 4-hour chart, see how strong is the consolidation that we have seen at around 67. Hitting the consolidation zone and a reversal sign, we have seen prices reversing. Now, as I said, on the upside, now 70 zone is going to remain critical. 69.670. This zone is something you should watch out for. Very, very strong resistance will be observed in at around these levels. And once it stays above 70 is where you can see slight bullishness towards 71.1, 71.2, and then 72.2, 72.4. Breaking beyond which stay bullish for 73, 74 levels. Moving averages here are trading with divergence and are staying bearish. If you look at the stochastic, this is again hit overbought zone. While the MACD, if you look at after forming the base, you've seen it rising, it has retraced and now willing to cross over for the buys. Let's see if it crosses over. RSI rising from the oversold zone. Now we have seen the charts and indicators. Time for me to give you the trading levels and strategy. And before I provide you the trading levels and strategy, if you want to learn this art of, join my mentorship badge. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email or ping me over Telegram for your queries related to the services. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates. And join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. And those who had asked me to recommend a broker which offers you a Sep-free account with lowest spreads, no hidden charges, global presence, easier transaction, easier withdrawals, and a safer environment and a regulated environment for you to trade, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. If you join through the link, you will get the lowest spreads on offer. So now first let's talk about the levels to buy. I will recommend you to buy here at 68.75. Expect it to move towards 69.15, then 69.6, and then 70.1. Now this zone is going to remain critical for oil for the coming week. A movement beyond this will take it towards 70, or rather will increase its possibility towards 71.1, 71.2 zone. This is going to remain first critical zone, and then 71.45. After this, we can expect a move towards 72.4, which is going to be a prime resistance, because once it breaches this, it's stay bullish for 73, and then 73.8, 74 levels are also possible. But the swing what we had seen in the recent part, it appears it is going to be difficult for oil to stay above 72.4. But once it breaches, definitely a stronger momentum will be seen here. While on the downside, where to sell? I will recommend you to sell here at 68.2, but then 67.8, very good support. 67.4 the next, then 67 and 66.8. Now see, on the downside, 67, 66.8, very good support, and then 66.5, the strongest one. Once the price is breaches below 66, chances will be high that we will look forward to a move towards 65.75, 65.2, and then this time it is going to break below 64.8, where 64 is going to be the target here. Though, as far as my understanding goes, I do not see such a strong down move. Even if it tries to drop, there are going to remain greater support in between 66 levels and 65 levels, and the possibility of a reversal will be high as well. But once it stays below 65, it is not going to come back. Take your trades accordingly, take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. See you again with the daily updates. Do not miss to watch that. Have a great profitable trading week ahead and a happy weekend.